Hello, this is Dan Passarelli of MarketTaker.com here on the floor of the CME Group. So we were looking at a stock chart today. The stock was Facebook. Take a look at a chart of Facebook stock. Facebook recently reversed off the $175 level, which incidentally coincides with the 50-day moving average. In conjunction with that, we've noticed that the implied volatility has pretty well exploded recently in Facebook. That makes for a really nice setup for a put credit spread. Now that's a nice setup for a couple of really important reasons. First of all, with put credit spreads, as long as the underlying doesn't fall below a certain price, the trade makes money. So when we have support, we have a key reversal point on a 50-day moving average. That's something that maybe we can use in order to logically set up a put credit spread. The other thing that's key is the implied volatility being fairly elevated. In fact, being really elevated makes the options a lot more expensive too. So these two forces kind of come together for a sort of perfect storm to create a great put credit spread. Now, the particular spread that we like is going out about 2 weeks from now, selling the 172.5, 167.5 bull put spread. Now, that spread, because we're selling the 172.5, which is below the $175 pivot point / 50-day moving average point, that's great. So even if Facebook does fall below 175, which we think it won't, I think it's going to hold. If it does fall below 75, we've still got an extra $2.50 of what I like to refer to as wiggle room to give ourselves just a little bit of an extra cushion. So I like this trade a real lot. The way I would manage it is if I can ever buy the spread back for about 75% of my maximum profit. So for example, if I sell the spread at 80, I would want to buy it back at about 20, at least buy the short leg back for 20 cents or less. In that case, in the case of selling it for 80. And if it does go against me, what I would do in that scenario is if, like, say we penetrate the $175 support area, then I'd start watching it really closely. And if it touches the short strike, if Facebook stock goes down all the way to 172.5, that's where I'd start getting a little nervous. I'd do a little bit of a reevaluation, see if there's any news. That would have violated a key support level, so I would be afraid of a follow-through. So I definitely want to check the news, see if there's anything new in the market scenario. If not, I would consider rolling down to a lower strike, and depending on how much time has passed, maybe even giving myself an extra week or two in that case also. And if that did happen, implied volatility would probably be higher still, and so it would just make for potentially an even better setup. This is Dan Passarelli of MarketTaker.com here on the floor of the CME Group. And if you want trade ideas every day, guess what? We have an opportunity right now for you to try our most popular class of all. It's called our Market Taker Live Advantage Group Coaching Class, and it's an everyday class, 1 hour long from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Central Time every day, where head coach John logs into his trading platform and he shows you live trade setups every single day. He gives you about 10 trade setups a day. So it's designed to be sort of earn while you learn. It's a great class. We've got more people registered for that class than any other. People love John. People love getting the trade ideas and sometimes even trading the trade ideas and all the great stuff they learn. I don't want you to just take my word for it. I want you to try it. So we're offering a trial right now. And if you visit MarketTaker.com/49, MarketTaker.com/49, you can try this class for a full month for a small processing fee of $49. Try it now. If you decide to stay in after the full month, guess what? Then you renew at a deeply discounted rate of $199 for life, only with this trial. So try it right now. Market like stock market, taker like you take something, 2 T's in a row, MarketTaker.com/49, and welcome to our class. We look forward to having you. Enjoy some of the trade ideas you'll get every day. Again, I'm Dan Passarelli of Market Taker Mentoring here on the floor of the CME Group.